Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Timid Trader. Today I'm going to talk about a very interesting topic about how do I plan my intraday trading. As you all know, I'm a part-time trader. I'm not a full-time trader yet. So if I'm going to office from 9 to say 6:30 or even 7 o'clock. Okay, so how do I manage it if I'm working all day? So the market opens at 9:15 and closes by 3:30, 3:15 or 3:30. How do I trade it? How do I plan my day? Okay, and how I would suggest maybe you can also try to learn something from this video, and you can also plan yourself if you are also like me, a part-time trader. If you are a full-time trader, I think you would have already gone through these stages. But any which ways, let me cover up this topic. So if you are tired of entering into the trades without a clear plan, in this video, I would be sharing my morning routine for planning my intraday trade strategy and from analyzing the market trends to identifying the high probability trades. I will take you through my step-by-step process for maximizing the profits and minimizing the losses. Whether you are a seasoned trader or just starting to trade, this video will be a perfect one for anyone who's looking to improve their intraday trading skills and stay one step ahead of the market. So, I think that's quite interesting, and let's begin here. So, here I have already now it's around 8 o'clock, 8:20 or something. So, the US market is on. So, I have taken some live trade just to demonstrate how I actually plan my intraday trading for the Indian market. But just to demonstrate the psychology that goes behind when I place the trade, I thought I would take up a live trade and then actually show you how I actually plan it and how I actually do this on the Indian stock market as well. So I'm going to simulate it using the American stock market because this is a live one. Currently, it is running live. Okay. So what I do basically as part of my morning routine is I make all the markings for the day. For example, this day, if I have to do in front of you, I would mark the previous day high and then I would mark the previous day low. Okay. Now, this will be a very, very crucial point because once I know that my previous day, this was the range that was covered, and now comes the strategy to find out what should be my trade. Okay. Now, my trade would be that if I have to look at the overall trend, then I have already done that. And with that, I know that the moment if I have to put a trend line here, so the moment this trend line is broken here, I would go long because the overall market trend is long. Okay. Now, as this is broken, I have already taken a long position here and my target is somewhere here with a profit target of around 11,350. Now, I might be correct, I might be wrong while I have taken this trade, but my trading strategies, what I have learned from the last 4.5 years of my trading career, if I know the overall trend and if I know if I take a right entries based on the plan that I do it on the daily morning, then I stick to it no matter what is the result. If I take my stop loss, I take my stop loss. Okay. But I will stick to my rules of entry. So I have entered this market. If if this is not an American market and if it's an Indian stock market, I would have still taken up the same position what I'm showing you here. Okay. Now, what I would also suggest you as a newbie, or if you are struggling to make some profits in the stock market, my suggestion would be that please start making some kind of a plan for the day. Um, Sit in the morning, try to put up your major resistance and support marking, and then try to analyze the overall trend for the market. At Apple stock, I have already done my homework. I know it's a bullish market that's going to be. And then I have marked my trend lines and I've entered exactly when the trend line is broken. Okay. Now I'm sitting over a profit of around $1,600, $1,200 profit. And I'm actually aiming to take at least more than $10,000 from this trade. Okay. Now, um, the psychology here is that when I was here, I was sitting at a very good profit, probably around $3,000 or something. When the market came down, it took exactly the support at the trend line over here. If you could see this, okay. Now, when this is coming down, how much confidence you are on your trading plan, how much strict you are on your trading plan matters a lot. If I get scared at these kind of downward movement, if my trade can go in loss, so I would probably panic and I come out of it, and then the market goes up. So sticking to the rules is the primary thing that you will have to follow, and then you will have to make a clear plan and just stick to it. Okay, you do not have to do anything really big. If you even have a probability of just 50%, okay, just 50% win rate probability can still make you a profitable trader. Okay. Now, for example, my stop loss would be right below this. Okay, and my target is here. Now if I am going to lose, then I will be losing only this. If you see this, the blue mark, this is the loss area, but when I'm making profit, it is exactly double of what I'm looking for. Okay, now if I'm doing this 50% with the 50% win rate, with the proper analysis, if you do a clear planning, even at the worst case of 50% win rate, you'll still be profitable. Now let me make it a little more better for you. Even if you are anything above 35% win rate, you will still be profitable. You'll still be profitable in the market. Okay. So that is the power. As long as you stick to the rules, as long as you basically have the risk reward ratios in your path, I think you will still be profitable at the end of the month. Okay. I just wanted to show you that. Anyways, the trade for the Apple is going on. So let us see whether this target will hit or not. So I will put up onto the time lapse. Let's see we hit the target or not. Okay. All right. So now, after all the roller coaster ride, it is almost hitting the set target. Okay. What I try to do here to you all is how to stay disciplined in the day trading. Okay. This will be a very, very valuable lesson. Kindly try to understand what the message I was trying to deliver in this entire live trading of how to do the intraday trading, how to plan, how to stick to the rules. At one point of time, I was at a good profit. Then market came down to the level where I entered. Again, I was at a good profit. Market again came back to the almost at the stop loss, and then it finally hit the target. Okay, so this is how the stock market will actually work with your psychology. If you get scared, if your position sizing is not correct, you will obviously be scared at these levels, and you will come out of your trade. Eventually, you will see the market goes into your direction. So controlling the psychology, controlling the position sizing, and be firm on your rules. I think these are something which if you try to implement on your daily trading, definitely you would turn up into a professional trader. I hope I was clear in the message that I wanted to give on the subject. Okay. Thank you very much for patiently watching this, and kindly like, comment, subscribe, and so that I can improve the YouTube algorithm. And whenever I come up with such educational videos, it will notify you. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching.